Hey, Dr.
Yeah,
Bagami,
there
how's it
you are.
going?
How you
Doing
doing?
well. I'm doing well. How are you doing today?
Good, good. I wasn't sure. I was like, what is this? So it took me a minute to realize that's a different thing. Yeah,
Yeah, it's just a different one just to do this call.
that's cool. It's good to see you.
So yeah, the purpose of the call really is just to have a quick check-in, and then if you don't mind giving like a little testimonial just for any potential clients that are considering working with us. It helps a lot just to have the proof that we do have the capability to come in and drive
Yeah,
some
sure, sure.
performance in
Oh,
Klaviyo. So yeah, feel free to honestly just say whatever comes to your mind. You don't have to hold back. So yeah, just to confirm that this isn't like something like I've coached you on. I'm just gonna like randomly just ask a couple of like soft questions
yeah,
basically,
yeah, sure,
and we'll
sure.
go
I'll
from
be
there.
happy to do that. Yeah, that's awesome.
So yeah, first and foremost, then I guess for anyone that's kind of considering partnering with us, what was the reason that kind of swayed your decision to take us as your email marketing agency provider? What was the thing that you would say would swayed you?
Sure, yeah. Well, thank you for having me, Stephen. I appreciate it a lot, and I'm honored actually to speak to you. The main reason for us actually when we choose it, you guys, because we struggle with the email marketing part in terms of result, in terms of strategy, in terms of the whole vision. The previous company that I used for almost a year, for 1 year, it was difficult to communicate in terms of like the strategy and the vision and the results. So for us, it was the revenue driven, number one. We wanted to execute to make some money, of course, the business. But at the same time, we were looking for someone to understand the UK market and the strategy behind it. And I was very happy actually running into you.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. And you've seen the results. They did come pretty thick and fast after we did the onboarding. Without sharing any sensitive numbers, just in terms of percentages, there was like a literal from 20% to 72% of the revenue was literally coming from Klayvio within like 45 days or less. So it was like a quick sort of like before and after, wasn't it, in fact, in
Yeah,
terms of the
it was awesome.
results?
It was amazing. I will say this, not only, and it was less than a month to seeing
Yeah.
the movement, and the whole thing is just it transformed the whole business. To be honest, you transform our business completely to another level. So I'm really thankful and look forward for more. Yeah, more to come.
That's was taking me into my next point. There is a lot more to come. We're still only really scratching the surface, in my opinion, of the list potential. Plus, now that there's more fresh traffic arriving to the site and then new ways, such as maybe WhatsApp marketing and things like that, it's just going to get
Yes,
better and better and better. But to be fair, all credit must go to the team. As you know, Jacqueline, my wife, has been
exactly,
working super hard.
exactly. Dr.
Morel, our
Jackie. Yeah,
account
yeah,
manager,
yeah.
the designers, and myself, everyone's been putting in a big effort to make sure it's successful. And also your inner team have been super proactive, you included, have been highly communicative. Any questions that we need or anything that we kind of required was actioned really, really swiftly. So it's definitely a beautiful combination of two people that just want to have results, really.
Right,
So
but
it's like
but you
kind of when that
guys
comes
really
together.
made a huge difference in our business in terms of like we communicate the first time and you just precisely told me like this is what we can do, this is what you love, and you deliver actually 200% even more than what you did, and I love it. Your team, Dr. Jackie, and also the communication way that you guys doing it it's through Slack, easy, efficient, strategy, fast. I go to sleep, I'm not worried, and that's to me it's amazing. I don't have to think about the next day, I don't have to think about the next month. Dynamics got it, so yeah, I'm in good hands. Yeah, I appreciate you a lot.
Good. Yeah, I'm really happy you said that. It is one of the things that we really focus on is clear, concise, and rapid client communications. It's super, super important that the left hand knows what the right hand is doing at all times. As you know, we are highly organized in ClickUp, so behind the scenes, we've got everything mapped out in advance plan, but it's very important for any service provider to be making you guys aware of exactly what's going on day to day, what's happening next week, what's happening next month. So that's just really where communication comes in. So it's something we're super, super diligent on.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the girls are really doing a great job there, to be honest with you. So that was my commitment to you. I can remember in the first call, I told you I'm an ex-aeronautical engineer. We're highly systemized, highly organized. We're like really prideful of our
It's
client
amazing. Yeah,
comms. So
amazing.
I'm really glad that you've also had that experience. I guess then in terms of the deliverables, so we've kind of talked about performance, we've talked about communication, we've talked a little bit about your experience and leveling up. So the probably one of the final questions really, we've covered everything, it would be more for the future. I mean, how excited would you be on a scale of 1 to 10 about your future email marketing efforts and your partnership with
I
Dynamax?
am actually confident, not only 1 to 10, I'm confident in 20 out of 10, that I'm in good hands. We're ready for 2026. I think we're ready to take this business to a multiple millions of pounds potentially soon, and we
Yeah.
expand and scale up to different countries. So I'm really excited, yeah. We work as a team.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, the potential for this brand is absolutely insane. It's like off the charts insane. And I knew it when I first did the audit of the account. I was like, oh, wow, there's so much low hanging fruit here that we're
Yeah.
going to like, I don't want to like kind of over promise. So I was like, I'm going to under promise here a little bit, and I know we're going to over deliver. So luckily it happened
Yes.
within the first 30
Yeah.
days. So that's the way we like to approach things, really. And in your own words, for your fellow e-commerce founders, for people, you know, for established brands like 7, 8 figure, 9 figure, and maybe even bootstrap startups, what what is it you would kind of say if they asked you like, hey, should I go ahead and partner up with Dynamax? What would be the experience, like the key things that you would share and encourage them to do so?
I would definitely say do it with a closed eyes. And Steven, Dr. Jackie, they are the best. You're in good hands, their team. You don't even have to hesitate. That means you're taking your business from a level to multiple levels. I would definitely recommend Dynamics and working with you guys. Yeah.
Thank you so much. So yeah, that's going to wrap up. That's all of the questions I had to ask.
No
I
problem.
think maybe in the next 3, 6 months, we might even do another one and talk a little bit more about mobile messaging and WhatsApp
Sure.
marketing once we actually really get that going. I'm
We'll be in
really
another
excited.
country for sure.
For sure, yeah. It's honestly the right now it's BFCM time, right? So it's going to be super interesting to see what the results are like after that. I'm really bullish. It's going to be really, really good. And then obviously we're going to go into Q1 2026, and that mobile messaging is going to be rolled out in full force. So onwards and upwards, Dr. Brigada. I'm really personally excited to see how much more performance there is left to squeeze. And yeah, it's all about now really, really locking in on the retention as well and trying to really squeeze that list super
Yes.
hard
Yes.
and
Yes.
not just get one purchase, but get multiple purchases and all
Right.
kinds of things. So it's
We,
going to be
we, we
really
do have the
exciting.
oral care coming up soon in
Right.
January. So we have 9 oral care coming up. Subscription number is adding up, is increasing
Yep.
every single day. It is amazing, really amazing.
Yeah. That's what it's all about. That's going to be the linchpin is when we get that recurring MRR from the subscriptions. That's going to really take the account to the next level. So yeah,
Yes.
super excited and yeah, really happy to partner for the long haul to achieve those numbers. So yeah, I'll stop this recording now and we can just have a friendly chit chat back and forth about anything else. I can also loop Jackie in on the call if you need to have a chat with her about
Yeah.
anything.
Sure.
Just let me
Sure.